Go yell at your daddy.
I don't have anything for him to yell at me for. I take that back.
Baby, you hungry? Say yeah!
Ooh.
The dates to watch
No.
are
When these furbals get annoyed, they won't hesitate to start a fight with anyone.
wanted to buy
No.
1 million bitcoins. What happened? In March 2025, Senator Lummis
Kylie, did you open the door? How come? Why did you open it? How come?
You gotta be careful. I know. Yes, I know what you want.
Can I use the bathroom in peace? No? Please. Please. No, man.
I love you. Oh, honey. My heart just exploded.
There's Frank. You guys. Oh, Taco. Oh, Frank. What? What is the matter? What's the matter? Are you talking to me? Hey.
8. 8.
Cookie. Cookie. What? No, what's the matter?
I'm trying to remove my hair. Yeah.
She's like, get me out of here, please. Ah! Ah!
Oh, I'm trying to feed the cat, right? Hey, you want some? Yo, what's your problem? Oh my god! Oh my god! You're not gonna eat if you do that. Get the out! Help! Ow! There's nothing there. Calm down. There's nothing there. What's wrong?
Hello, little poop. Are you comfortable? You are? Oh my goodness. Hi. How are you?
Yeah? Just.
When they start a conversation, it's mostly about food.
Get down. No. Get down. No. No. Hey. No. Get down.
நான் சொல்றத நீ பதில் சொல்லு. நீ தேடு நீ என்ன? அப்புறம் ஏன் இப்ப கூப்பிடுற? இது எதுக்கு கூப்பிடுற? ஊசி எதுக்கு போட்டாங்க?
Not everything is going to be about you. You're just going to have to get over it. He's so mad.
How are you, Lucky? Oh, is that how you are? Holy crap, that was perfect. Did I wake you up?
Stop yelling in my ear. You got an attitude problem. Check your temper.
You're bouncing a pickle.
What? What? Hi, guys. How you feeling, squirrel? Stick 'em up. Oh my goodness! What are you meowing at? Where? What did you do? Mama? Bobby?
Apparently it likes its bacon.
Quite the talkers, aren't they? See you next.
Don't let your cat pet you and she wet you down.
Am I teasing you? Punch him, punch him.
Tell him off, Ned.
He's gonna see.
I'm sorry.
Are you sorry?
What? Are you depressed? Okay.
Sarah's cleaning. Oh, mate.
What? 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 Where's your mom? Ah!
Where's she at? Go get her. Go back, go back, go back, go back. Good boy.
Being so little can be really tiring.
Lakota, what does she want? What do you want? Meow? I don't know what that is. What is it, baby? Tell me. No?
My brisket.
You're so tired you fell asleep in the little box? I have a nice bed for you.